Hi everyone, Chris here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are making syrups. Now, the vast majority of cocktail recipes are going to include a sweetener, most of the time in the form of a syrup. Some old booze recipes take the sweetness from a liqueur or a sweetened wine, but most of the time you're going to use syrup, so it's only natural to start learning to make your own. Now, of course, you can buy syrups from the supermarket, but the first thing is that it's really easy to make yourself, and the second thing is that the quality you're gonna get, there's a big difference there. It only takes a few minutes, and that's what I want to share with you today. I also think if you're gonna spend time and money into gathering top-notch bottles for your bar and quality ingredients, it's only normal to put that much care in all the ingredients you're going to use, so syrups is a part of that. There is also a very satisfying side, a very noble thing into making your own ingredients yourself, I believe. And I have to say, ever since I started to make my own syrups, I haven't gone back to anything from the supermarket. So I would encourage you to at least give it a try. It's going to take only a few minutes. I want to show you how easy it is. Let's go. Now, with these 5 easy recipes, you are on your way to making literally hundreds of cocktail recipes. Keep in mind, you can also use them in non-alcoholic beverages. Also, there is a very simple way to enjoy them, that is just mixed with sparkling water or plain water. Also, you should not hesitate to make a big batch. They freeze very well, so you can divide them into small portions and use them as you go. As a general rule, try to sterilize your bottles before filling them up. These have been in boiling water for like 10 minutes. It's gonna help. And also always keep those in your fridge. They should last easily 3 to 4 weeks. Use your common sense. Have a look, have a smell. If some gas comes out, definitely don't use it. Or if you see anything murky, stop using them. Now, in the next few weeks, we are gonna cover many recipes using all these syrups. So stay tuned and come back here if you wanna learn how to use these in your cocktails. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that is gonna make you want to get in the kitchen and make your own syrups. We are definitely gonna make a volume 2 of this video because there are many syrups to cover. I had to make choices here. I really believe these are the 5 most used in many classic recipes and many easy recipes to make. But stay tuned for more. See you next week. Cheers.